bills are stressful enough. Understanding your solar and utility bill should never leave you asking.
So why are there two of you?
We can clear that up. I'm Sunny and this is Chad. We're here to help.
Okay. Then why am I still paying you?
Those fees you see here cover your connection to the grid, some fixed utility fees such as power distribution, and the additional power we provide to your home.
Like when you need more power than your solar system is producing due to home upgrades or change in season.
Or at night when the sun isn't shining at all.
Exactly.
Oh, makes sense.
So that's why you're still paying your utility bill for those times when you need more power than your solar is producing.
Got it. Simple enough. Now I have some questions about my Sunrun bill.
Perfect. Let's take a closer look. So at the top you have your basics, you have your account number, due date, and the billing period here.
Okay, and last month shows me any remaining balances and previous payments. Oh, and here's my total charge for this month.
That's right. Depending on your plan and the size of your system, that number will show right here.
Okay, and what about this section?
That's a great question. Let's take a look. So this section shows your production rating at the start and end of this billing period and how much you pay per kilowatt.
Okay, so my total due is here at the bottom. What's the best way to make payments?
The best way to make payments is through your mysunrun.com account. And if you enroll in AutoPay, you get a discount each month as well. Let's get you set up. You shouldn't have to stress over understanding your bill. If you have more questions, visit mysunrun.com to view your bill, frequently asked questions, or chat with us live. You can also call customer care at 855-478-6786 or email customercare@sunrun.com for any additional questions.